What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and we're going to be jumping right into this video because in this video today, we're actually going to be revealing to you the strategy and the blueprint and the methodology that you need to have in order to generate 4 figures a month and multiple 4 figures a month with your affiliate marketing business. Now, before we actually jump into that strategy, I wanted to show you guys what was in this little black box that you saw. And so I actually received an award from Dean Holland. Now, if you're not familiar with Dean Holland, he's a affiliate marketer that's been around for eons. He's made multiple millions of dollars, and he's probably one of Russell Brunson's biggest students and success stories. And he actually has a company called Internet Profits, and he has multiple funnels. And I was able to actually promote one of those funnels and generate 4 figures. So he actually sent me a little award. This is something that he's doing now, where he's sending out awards once people hit different money thresholds. So what I wanted to show you guys today is how you can actually do this with your affiliate marketing business. Once you have the correct funnel set up, once you're selling the correct products, once you're getting the correct traffic, you can generate 4 figures on demand. So what we're going to be doing in this video today is I'm actually going to be showing you the exact blueprint and break everything down for you so that you know exactly how to generate 4 figures on command. So it's going to jump right into it. All right, guys. So what we're going to be talking about today is something that I call the Ascension Funnel. And why I call it the Ascension Funnel is you're basically taking prospects and people that don't know you or don't know your products, and you're sending them through a process and a system that eventually gets them down to a purchase or multiple purchases. So that's what I want to show you guys today. That's how I was able to get my award using one of these funnels. And you have to have the proper things in your funnel, and that's what I want to break down in this presentation today. So the system explained, the Ascension Funnel, it's broken up into 2 different funnels. So the first portion is the front end funnel, and then there's a back end funnel. So first, let's go and talk about the front end funnel. Now, the front end funnel is to build a list of leads and prospects. This is where you give valuable information away. You're going to acquire customers in this front end funnel. You're going to maximize revenue at the point of sale. You're going to generate recurring income, and you're going to be selling products priced from anywhere from $1 to $500. We're going to be breaking down the actual products here in a second, but let's go ahead and talk about the back end funnel now. So the back end funnel is for your more vested customers, your more vested clients. This is where you're going to give your best value. This is where all the big profits are made, and you're going to be delivering the best results. And these products are priced at $1,000 or more. So you have your front end product where your priced products are between $1 and $500. You're going to be giving some great value. You're going to have maximizing revenue at the point of sale, recurring income. And on the back end, this is where you give the best results. This is where you give the most value, and you're going to be making a lot more income. And we're talking $1,000 plus per sale. So the 5 different products that you need to have in your Ascension Funnel is, number 1, a free product. You're going to be using a free product to actually build your list and get those prospects and turn them into leads. You're going to have a front end product. You're going to have an upsell product, and you're going to have a membership or a recurring product. And then ultimately you have a high ticket product. So when you think about a funnel, when you think about what you're setting up online and what you're trying to promote, these are the 5 products or the 5 components that you need to have in your funnel if you want to generate 4-figure days or multiple 4 figures a month. Again, I'll say that again. If you want to generate multiple 4 figures in a month or multiple 4 figures in a day, you need to have all of these different components: the free product, the front end products, the upsells, the memberships, and the high ticket products. So let's go ahead and talk about the front end product. So the front end product is basically a low price product, and let's say it can be priced at anywhere between $5 and $50. Now, this front end product is going to deliver some real value. It's going to build trust, and it's going to establish authority. Now, I know this doesn't happen very often, but I'm curious if you guys have purchased like a $7 product and a $10 product, and you went through the course and you were just just blown away at the immense value that you get. Like, I know that's happened to me a few times where I paid $7 and my expectations were extremely low because it was just a cheap product, but the course actually blew me away, and I couldn't believe that they were selling this video course with all of this great valuable information for just $7. But what that does is like I said, it delivers that value and it builds trust and it builds authority. So when you're selling higher priced products, then people are going to whip out their purse or their wallet even quicker because of all the immense value that they got in the front end product. Now, for your upsell products, this is also going to deliver even more value. This is going to maximize profits at the point of sale. Now, your aim is to make things easier for your customer, save them time, save them money, and do something better than they can do for themselves. So a quick example of a good upsell is if I'm actually selling a email marketing course and I'm showing someone how to do email marketing, and I created an upsell that had 100 pre-written subject lines and email copy. So if you're going to be doing email marketing, obviously you're going to need emails and you need good emails. So I could sell a upsell where I have 100 emails that are already pre-written that are proven to get clicks and opens and drive people to affiliate links. And I could sell that as an upsell because it gives more value to the course. It's going to save people time. It's going to save people money, and they can actually use that upsell to expedite their actual results. So it actually maximizes the profits at the point of sale, but it's actually giving more value. So it's very congruent to the actual course that you're actually selling. Next is the membership product, and this is where you get into recurring income. Now, this is one of the most important income streams that a lot of people leave out of their funnels. It is a must-have when it comes to income streams. So I actually look at recurring income as something that you're just building over time. And the whole idea is to get your recurring income to pay bills or take care of your entire lifestyle. And I just did some example numbers here. And if you were selling a $47 per month membership where you're making $47 per month, just look at these numbers. So with 50 members, at a $47 a month membership, you would make $2,350 per month and $28,200 per year. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that most people could cover their rent and their mortgage with $2,350. And just imagine, that's only 50 people. At 100 members, $47 a month, that's $4,700 per month, $56,400 per year. Even if it took you 12 whole months to put 100 members into a membership site that was paying you $47 a month, and now you're making close to $5,000 per month recurring, it would be totally worth it. And then we have the numbers here for 200 members, $9,400 per month, close to $10,000 a month in recurring, not even talk about all your other income streams, $112,000 plus, a six-figure annual salary with 200 members at $47 per month. Now, this is completely doable. It may not happen overnight. You also have to take in account for attrition, but this is something that you can kind of build up over time. And I always try to tell people to just set goals. So your first goal is to be, okay, let me see if I can get enough recurring income to pay my car note. And then let me see if I can get enough recurring income to make my mortgage. And then you just keep going and keep going, you keep going, and you keep building on top of this. But if you don't have this in your funnel, if you're not consistently automatically promoting a membership site, a recurring product that's going to pay you monthly, you're never going to get to the point where you can get 50 members or 100 members because you're not doing it actively. And so that's why this membership product should be in your Ascension funnel. It should be a vital part of what you're doing in your affiliate marketing business. And then the last product, and this is where you really make the big paydays, is the high ticket product. And obviously these products are going to be priced at $1,000 or more. These are your most valuable offers that you will sell in your Ascension funnel. This offers include like coaching offers, done for you solutions, masterminds, live events. So you think about like done for you funnels, done for you marketing campaigns, masterminding, live events. If you think about it, for example, maybe you spend $1,000 to spend an hour with a Dean Holland or a Russell Brunson. Like, that is going to be so worth it versus paying $97 just for a digital course. So, I mean, again, you're going to get a lot more immense value from spending an hour masterminding with multi-millionaires versus buying a $7 product on the Warrior Plus. So basically, again, you're going to be ascending your prospects through this funnel, and everybody's not going to get to the high ticket. Everybody's not going to purchase the high ticket, but the idea is for you to ascend an amount of leads, turn a certain amount of those into customers, and so forth and so on, and you make money. And we're going to be going through that a little bit more. So let's actually look at a little schematic that I put together for you guys. And I want you guys to just kind of follow me here. So what we have here is 1,000 visitors. And this is 1,000 visitors that we're going to be putting through our Ascension funnel. And then I'm going to put some numbers to some of these products here. And these are going to be our commission payouts that we earn on these different products, right? So if we are promoting a proper Ascension funnel, we have our free product, we have our front end product, we have our upsell offer, we have our membership product, and we have our high ticket product, right? So we need these. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at promoting it, and we're going to be sending 1,000 visitors to this Ascension funnel. We're going to be looking at getting a 40% opt-in rate. So that's going to be 400 leads. So out of 1,000 visitors, you're going to get about 400 leads to go ahead and take you up on your free product here. From there, we're going to say that only 3% of this 400 people, so only 3% purchase this front end product. So they purchased the front end product. So you're looking at about 12 customers that you got to purchase this front end product, and you made a $20 commission. And now from there, let's say that 6 of the 12 customers that bought the front end offer then go ahead and purchase the upsell. So now you have 6 people that went ahead and purchased the upsell. Now, again, guys, this is an example of what we've actually seen in our businesses ourselves. And so out of that 6 people that purchased the upsell, we've seen about 3 people roughly go ahead and purchase the membership product or the recurring income product that is in the Ascension funnel. And then out of the 3 people, we see that 1 person will go through and purchase the high ticket offer. So we actually add this up. You got 12 people at $20, you got 6 people at $97, and you got 3 people at $40. And this is recurring because it's a membership site. And then you have 1 person that you made $1,000 commission on. And this all happened by just generating 1,000 targeted visitors to my Ascension funnel. So let's see what it actually works out to be. So with this particular example, you would have made $1,942 in commissions, plus you would have started to make $120 in recurring. So your initial sales of this campaign would have been $1,942, which puts you in the 4-figure mark, right? Plus you're now building up your recurring income of $125. So if you can do this once, you definitely want to do this over and over and over again, because you want to be able to get these results when you're promoting your funnel. Now, the problem that a lot of people have when they're building funnels is they don't have these particular products laid out in their funnel. A lot of people pretty much stop right here. So where they give the free product away, and then they have a front end offer, and then it just stops, right? Then a lot of times people would just try to spam their leads and just try to get them to buy a whole bunch of front end products. And that really only works if you're really building a lot of leads and you're consistently replenishing your list with tons of leads, because the leads that are on your list, if they're consistently being bombarded with these low front end products every single day, they're going to get cold. They're going to start opening your emails. But if you're taking your leads through an Ascension funnel where they're given really good value here and 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 even more immense value here, this is a much easier way to make 4 figures. 1, you don't need as much traffic. 2, you're giving a lot more value and you don't feel as sleazy just selling all of these low cost, cheesy products. Why not get one master funnel together that is giving great value, that's actually going to help the people that are ascending through it and make big 4 figures? as well as recurring income. So what have we covered today so far? We know that traffic plus high converting offers can equal money. It can equal easily 4 figures. We also know why you need to have an Ascension funnel. You need to have all those 5 products, the front end and the back end, and all 5 product types is a must-have with your Ascension funnel. We also showed you how you can actually generate $1,000 plus paydays selling high ticket offers. So what's the solution? And this is what I want to offer you guys. There is a free book called The Iceberg Effect. It was written by Dean Holland. And in this book, he actually takes you through and tell you a lot of the untold secrets that happen with affiliate marketers and the pitfalls that affiliate marketers make when they're trying to build their business. So in this book, you're going to actually learn how to engineer a stable Ascension funnel. You're going to learn about how to make front end commissions and back end commissions and the exact model and blueprint to close sales. And in addition to all of that, you're also going to learn 5 traffic strategies that's going to help you explode your website visitors and turn customers into raving fans. So this is a free book that Dean Holland is giving away. All you have to do is cover the shipping, and the shipping, I believe, is $7.95. But you get the free book. And not only do you get the free book, is you get a lot of bonuses with it. Right now, they're giving a special promotion where you can get the audio of the actual book, as well as some special training that comes along with the actual book. So you'll get access to some training, as well as 7 days of surprises. And I'll just let the cat out the bag, is you get a lot more training, some really, really good content, some really good value. So again, you get the book for free. You're going to get the audio version of the book. You're going to get the masterclass, as well as some great additional video training that's going to help you build this Ascension funnel, right? That's going to help you create these 4-figure paydays, to create these multiple 4-figure paydays, and you can get the book absolutely free. It's called The Iceberg Effect. It was forwarded by Russell Brunson. Again, Dean Holland is probably one of Russell Brunson's greatest success stories, and you can go ahead and pick up the book in the link in the description. So I hope this made sense to you guys. I hope that you guys got some value from this actual video. So it's not just good enough to throw up a squeeze page and start promoting a Warrior Plus. Yes, you can make some money, but you're not going to be making the big consistent long-term cash. And that's why you need to have these 5 products. You need to have this Ascension funnel so that you can just drive traffic to one funnel that's going to pay you in multiple ways, from front ends to upsells to membership products to recurring income. We talked a lot about that, and to get those high ticket product sales that's going to really give you those big paydays. So take the time to, even if you don't get this book, guys, take the time to try to structure what we just talked about today. And if you have to look at this video again, please do, but try to structure something where you hit all those 5 products in a cohesive manner so that you can just pump leads into a high converting system that's going to pump out 4-figure days. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. And if you enjoyed this video or even got any type of new perspective from this video, if it helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. I'd appreciate it, guys. And if you have any questions regarding this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Always love to hear from you guys. So make sure you go in the description below now and pick up that Iceberg Effect with all the other bonuses that's coming with it. You will not be disappointed. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.